Alright, hi guys. Yeah, I'll just get straight to the point. What this video is about is basically going through a problem that I saw on the Senior Maths Challenge from the UKMT. Um, the problem has a really nice solution. You can, if you want, pause and have a go at it, but I'm not able to go through every problem which was on the challenge today because it was only sat today, so the paper hasn't fully been released to the public. So, and this is one of the harder questions which I remember. I don't really remember all of them, but yeah, I'll let you guys, or you can pause it, have a go at it, and I'll basically walk through how to solve this. So, we're given that the towel is made of 8 congruent kites, so 1, 2, and I'll make this a bit thicker color, or thicker pen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, got that. The area of the hat tile, so the whole tile is 8 root 3, so we can say each of these is root 3, so I'll just draw a small kite. It's not that good, yeah, it doesn't really look like a kite, but we can say that's root 3. And we're asked, what is the perimeter of the hat tile? Now, when you some of you maybe, when you first look at this, it may just seem like an impossible feat, but one thing you need to realize is basically the center of the shape. It's kind of difficult to see, but if you see here, if I draw a line from here to here, draw a line from here to here, and draw a line from here to here, some of you may be able to see where I'm going with this. If you can see the shape that's been outlined, it's a triangle, and one thing that we're told is that the tiles are congruent. So this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Therefore we've got an equilateral triangle. So what we can say here is that, oh, didn't know I did that, okay, and then let's draw this triangle. So what can we say about this triangle? Well, we know that the angle is going to be 60 because it's equilateral. 60. What else can we say? The sides are obviously equal, so we can just say the sides are x. And then another thing we can say is the area, or what we can tell is the area, because we obviously know that one tile has got an area of root 3. Therefore, 3 of the tiles will have an area of 3 root 3. So we can say this area, we'll just put A in the box here, is equal to, oh gosh, I can't draw. Okay, 3 root 3. Okay. So, if you can probably tell, we can use a half AB sine t. So if we just put this down here, I'll just draw it a bit more to scale, or like a larger scale. X 60, and then to work out the area, again, as I said, half AB sine t. So a half times A times B times sine of 60, which is root 3 over 2. So we get root 3 over 4 x squared. And that, as we know, is equal to the area that we found out, 3 root 3. We can cancel through root 3, and we can obviously see that this is x squared over 4 equals 3, so we can say x squared is equal to 12, so x is equal to 2 root 3. But be careful, obviously, the x that we calculated is the length of 2 of the kite lengths, if that makes sense. This length plus this length, and that's 2 kites. So if we want to work out the length of one kite, it would just be this divided by 2. So we can, if we draw the kite again, oh my, that is a very bad drawing, sorry. We can say that this length here is root 3. Now, we're obviously asked to work out the perimeter. Just this length alone won't help, because we have these shorter lengths. Now, one thing we can do is I'll do it on this tile here. We obviously said that this is 60, this angle, and these are congruent. This length is also equal to this length. So what we can do is bisect this. Well, I'll draw it here, it'll be easier to see. This is 90, this is 90 as well. You may not be able to tell that, but it is. If we obviously draw this out now, this is what the bisected shape would look like. So we can see that this angle here is 30. So what we see here is that this is 30, and then we can obviously tell this is the longer length that we calculated earlier, which is root 3. And what are we trying to find out? It's the opposite side. So yeah. So what we can say is tan 30 is equal to what about, my brain's blanking, opposite over adjacent, yeah, root 3. Now obviously you'll need to know your exact values, so tan 30, that's 1 over root 3, so if this is 1 over root 3, which is equal to opposite over root 3, then if we multiply by root 3 we just get 1, so the opposite side is 1. This looks like 0 equals 1. I'll say opposite equals 1. Now we have all the pieces, so we can say that this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, etc, etc. So if I go back and remove all this, let me get an eraser. Okay, massive one. We'll just go back to the original shape, it'll be much easier. Here we go. Okay. Got a clean slate now. So can quickly drop this down. So we know that these lengths are 1. This is root 3. This is also root 3. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Ooh, that's 1 there. Root 3. Root 3. 1, 1. Root 3. Root 3. And now what do? We just add them up. So how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. And then plus, how many root 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 root 3. And that is our final answer. If anyone does have an easy way of doing this, you can just let me know. But yeah, it's a really nice problem. Thanks for watching.